What's up, TCM? We are back with another tutorial for you guys. This week we are learning on how to do our GAETs or GAETs, or some people call them gate flips, even though that's wrong. With this, once again, we have Gage. Yay, woo! Gage is a monster athlete. If you don't know him, go check out his Instagram. It is at Waste of Gravity. I'll put that right there for you guys, or Rudy will put that right there. Thanks, Rudy. Yeah, so further ado, let's get into it. Can you demonstrate a GAET? Yes, sir. God.
All right, so if you've ever tried to learn a gate flip, or GAET, you've probably heard it's like a flyaway. No! Basically, it's more of a sweep, so in that aspect, it is like a flyaway, but okay, I wanna talk about the grip. The grip is not like a ginger, so you're not coming at this to push away from it. It is a pull and a rise. So basically, your right hand, or based on however you're twisting,
Outside hand?
your outside hand is going to be pulling you as your inner hand is rising you up. So essentially, this is your distance and this is your flip and motion. Let's see, another good thing to note is that you want your legs to be straight throughout the whole thing. A lot of people will bend their legs. Essentially, you're going to pike for as long as you can before bringing it into a tuck. I like to keep my feet together for this. I think it's easier. And usually I come at like a good 45-degree angle of the corner. It's not like my method, but like an OG method is like, treat it like you're just dipping in like a Kong. It's like those guys, you know, that's what it is. You know, the move is coming forward. If you guys saw like urban free flow videos, if you just run at this thing, it's your whole range of motion should be on this outside of the block. The GAET itself is just what you're doing to get you to flip while coming across the object.
So if you have a friend like me or like Gage, one of the ways that you can go about learning this is by actually starting your GAET or GAET and back flopping. And if you don't have a mat, that's where the friend comes in. So I'm gonna stand over here and I'm actually gonna catch Gage in like a cradle position and prevent him from injuring himself so he can get more and more comfortable with the flip.
You can also just do that for fun, it's great.
Yeah. All right, so from there, it should just be spotting like a backflip. So if you don't know how to do that, I'll put a link up to there so you can show your friend how to spot you for your backflip so you don't get injured. And that would be how you get into learning your GAET or GAET flip.
A big common mistake I see is people can't let go of the corners as they try to release. Make sure you guys get your hands off. Once your hips come past, you can let go, it'll be okay. Another thing is you want to get your hips as close to the corner as possible. You won't hit it, it's a pretty good move. As long as you stiff arm this move, you're gonna get away from it. You just want to make sure that your hip stays close so that way you have all this power to help you generate. Whereas if you're out here, it's gonna be a lot harder. And then another big issue is a lot of people will treat this like a ginger. They'll focus both hands on a push away force when it should be a pull and push up force. So you're essentially just trying to go vertically up. So just to reiterate, you should put your hands on the top. Don't put them down here. It's okay to do a grip. I tend to do a strong grip if the ledge forgives me for it. But for the most part, you're using your palms. You're using your palms in this trick. And it's, again, you're coming, like if the camera is you guys, I will be coming towards you. Another problem and a way to fix it is people tend to change their axis a little too much on this flip. What you want to do is you want to come straight across the corner that you're getting off of. literally. A lot of people will come and they'll start to turn it like almost like a circle cast or a frisbee, and you actually want to come straight forward with your hips pointing away from the object.
All right, so that's all we got for you today. Again, it's called a GAET or a GAET or a GAET, depending on who you're talking to. Really doesn't matter, just go learn the skill, it's all the same. If you like the video, make sure to give us a thumbs up because it really helps us with our algorithm. And be sure to follow Gage on Instagram, which is right here. Yeah, Waste of Gravity. As well as comment and subscribe. And make sure you turn on that bell notification because we do put out videos for you guys every Saturday at 11 a.m. Oh, and send us your videos to our Instagram, which is at The Collective Movements. And we are happy to help and we want to help. So send us your videos.